Hey guys, I'm really excited to share with you this Macrame fairy garden ornament. What's great about this one is that if you're looking for a fun craft but aren't very familiar with macrame knots, this one only uses one knot. It's also a fun craft for kids and their parents to do together. I made two different versions, one using more traditional Christmas colors, and then the other one is more of a neutral metallic. I found these cute little wooden mushrooms at the Dollar Tree. I started by painting them. I painted the stems white, and the tops for one I used a white gold mixture, and then the other one I used red. I used a toothpick to add dots on top. Here's how the red mushroom turned out. Cut a 10-foot piece of 3mm natural string and fold it in half to find the center. Use the 4-inch gold ring as your filler and tie several spiral knots all the way around the ring with your string. Line up the two ends of the spiral so that the twist matches up on either side. Tie a bow with the ends of the string. These tree stumps were left over from another project I worked on last year. I actually found these at the Dollar Tree, but you could easily go out and forage for some sticks to use and cut them to size. I also used the mushrooms in 3 2-inch pieces of 3mm olive green string to create some moss or grass. Here I am trying to figure out what I like best. I ended up using the birch stump with the more neutral mushroom and the other stump with the red mushroom. Fold a 2-inch piece of 3mm olive green string in half and brush out the ends. Glue the piece of string to your ring and then trim it. Glue your stump and mushroom to your ring. Glue a couple more pieces of moss to your ring and trim them as you see fit. Cut a piece of thin string or thread and attach it to the top of your ring to hang it from your tree. Here's what the other one looks like. I used 3mm gold string instead of olive green string. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you make your own fairy garden ornament, I'd love to see it. Feel free to tag me on social media. Thanks so much for watching.